We are all inevitably naturally skilled in problem solving. In fact, it's one of the first skills that we quickly develop and perfect. We do this from birth to make sure our needs are met. We're hungry, so we cry, and when we cry, we get fed. Problem solved. As we grow a little bit older, we problem solve constantly, but a lot of this is done in our play. We used to use metaphors continuously in our lives and our activities. What may be considered by some as a scribble on a piece of paper is actually a drawing of a beautiful house. This is a perfectly valid metaphor created for what that person wants to communicate. When we used to have a lump of Play-Doh and we said it represents a plane, or we connected 3 white bricks and we said this is a treasure chest. Once we say what our object is a metaphor for, it then becomes so. Somewhere along the way, most of us lost that awesome skill to be able to simply make a physical metaphor to convey a clear, concise, and creative message. But luckily, LEGO Series Play reignites that skill. The process of applying metaphors to assist in problem solving, responding to a challenge, is the basis for this facilitation method. During a LEGO Series Play workshop, a trained facilitator sets a question. It may be, what does good customer service look like in our sector? Or, what is our new vision following our recent restructure? Attendees then use their hands to actively respond by building answers with LEGO parts, utilizing the freedom of expression that constructed physical metaphors give us to create innovative answers. As there is no verbal communication at this stage, our mind is set free to fully immerse itself in the thought process. The participant's mind has space to challenge constraints, explore possibilities, break habitual thinking, and unlock knowledge. And that is therefore going to create a much more deep and meaningful response. Then the participants share the meaning behind what they've constructed, the models, their answer. The major benefit of this for all participants is that feeling of freely being able to communicate an honest opinion, as the focus is on the model and its meaning and not on the individual. The final stage of a LEGO Series Play facilitated workshop is reflection and conclusion. All participants will discuss what ideas, thoughts, solutions have been evoked by the models in front of them. Collectively, they'll come together, create an outcome and a decision that is clearly understood by each participant, and each of them will have a vested interest in that outcome. Additional outcomes frequently seen in our sessions are team alignment, personal development, strategic thinking, and bridging diversity, not to mention understanding systematic consequences. Do you want to know more? Well, if you do, we have 2 more videos online. Alternatively, get in touch. Book an appointment with us on our website or give us a ring. We are perfectly happy to talk to you about this fantastic method that will unlock knowledge and break habitual thinking within your organization.